वेलकम बैक टू अनदर वीडियो ऑफ लारावेल ecom लारावेल पोर्टफोलियो वेबसाइट। तो आज हम अपना समरी का बनाएंगे। सेक्शन को देखते हैं। तो सबसे पहले क्या करेंगे, कंपोनेंट क्रिएट कर लेते हैं और यहाँ पर लिख देंगे रिज्यूमे। ओके, कंपोनेंट क्रिएट कर लेते हैं और इसका भी हम क्रड नहीं यूज़ करेंगे, हम सिंपली एक दफ़ा ही बनाएंगे जिसको बार बार हम वो कर लेंगे। और इसके बाद जो सबसे पहला है, इसको मैं मिनिमाइज कर देता हूँ। वेब इसका राउट क्रिएट कर लेते हैं। राउट गेट स्लैश के बाद है रिज्यूमे एंड रिज्यूमे कंपोनेंट इंपोर्ट हो गया साथ में नेम resume. Okay, so let's go inside the app layout. So what we are going to do here is let's change it with resume. Okay, and resume section, resume section. And in our resume section, what I'm going to do here is I'm going to copy this fact, control C, and paste it in control A, control V resume section. Here we have to change it some headings, summary. In summary, in this we are going to use text area. Okay, and name it with some summary. Copy it, control C, paste it. Wire model is equal to summary, and as paste. So what I'm going to do is copy this text area and paste it with here the name of summary with control D and education, and here as well I have to put it education. And for that, what I'm going to do, also change it with input to text area. For here I'm going to use experience and copy it and control V. And after that, what I'm going to do here is remove it and here in text area, from here control D I am going to use class form control. Okay, and here is resume, and next in our back component, I'm going to copy it from and paste it here and update with control D and put it summary. And after that, what I'm going to do here is projects, control D in projects. What I'm going to do here is put education, and next in hours control D experience. Okay, For that, now I have to remove this, and change it with numeric to control D with string, and also remove this one members, and also from here resume imported also. And so now what I'm going to do here is removing this one as well, so control D, and from here I'm going to do here is fact sorry resume, and here is well resume with keyword and inner facts, control D. I'm going to do resume updated or added. For that, this is the complete section. So what I am going to do here is I'm coming back to my here is our resume section. So what I'm going to do is currently I'm going to do here is copy this one, control C and control V, and here as well copy this and paste it. For that I'm going to also copy it and paste and paste it here and save it. Happy clients not found. Okay, summary unknown column summary. Okay, what I'm going to do here is come and here in our resumes, and here I have to change it. It should be summary, save it. After that, what I'm going to do in my migrations table resume also put double M in. For next time if I run migration, it's don't show this error again. So come again, and here is our resume uploaded successfully. If I refresh it, it still remains. Because of that, here what I'm going to do here is, so little bit I am going to change. Here my name is Muhammad Aslam from Florida to Street 4. Multan, Punjab, Pakistan, and also change contact number with 923101234567 So this is the dummy number. Don't try to call me because this is not correct number. You can mail me on my official email address at gmail.com, master bs software engineering from 2015 to 2019. Comsats University Islamabad, Pakistan. Pakistan. And from here I'm going to remove this to show differences on the front page. Or okay, here I'm going to do senior Laravel full stack developer. The movers Islamabad, Pakistan. To show differences, I says this one, and next time resume updated. Okay, so we are going to do what going to do now. Come back on our VS Code editor and go front end, and in my home component I'm going to do here get the resume record. Resume is equal to resume find one, and here I'm going to pass it to my view or blade, you can say that. Resume close it, and in my this is skill section, also close it. Here is a resume section. Here I have to go complete this one, and from here I have to put at the rate if $resume exists, then show that one, else, and if what I'm going to do for else, I'm going to copy it and paste it as it and minimize it. And now what I'm going to do here is resume summary. In my summary I'm going to do here is dollar resume summary. Okay, so for that I'm going to copy this method, and from here arts master as education, here I'm going to paste it as well to my education, and remove this resume item, remaining one. It should be good. For that currently I'm going to paste, and here I'm going to my experience. See what happened on our front page. Here is our resume. By default it's we are not importing any HTML tags from here for that, so that's why it show in a paragraph form. So what we can do for that, we have to go in our own online text editor. For that, online text editor, in online text editor I'm going to do here is I'm copying this and here I'm going to paste it, control V, and for that I'm going to do is making bold and as well I'm making also bold it, and what I'm going to do, view it, and in view use source code. So what I'm going to do, control C, as you like, if you want to save it or save it, otherwise what I'm going to do here is control A and control V, similar to for my experience, and control A and control V. For that I'm going to bold it, and for that I'm going to use PT14. Okay, also bold it, and against view use source code, control A and control C, block that one, and in our next I'm going to do here is control A and control V. Here I'm going to bold it, bold it for that as well. Currently okay, bold it, and again in view source code I'm going to do control A, control C, and control V, and save it. So this time here see our resume. So this is much better than previous. So this is done for our resume. In next lecture we are continue from here to build another parts of our portfolio sites dynamics. So till that, take care.